We begin with new information about 2 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Georgia.
WSAV's Archif Shashardre talked exclusively to the state health commissioner. He is in our Georgia Capitol newsroom with our top story.
Atlanta health officials say a 56-year-old man and his son are now in self-quarantine at their Fulton County home after testing positive for COVID-19.
The clinician was astute enough to know that to take precautions and have this individual and the family member go around the back of the facility so that they wouldn't put anybody at risk in the waiting room.
The 56-year-old recently returned from a conference in Milan, Italy to Atlanta on February the 22nd. He showed symptoms 3 days later for the coronavirus. 2 days after that, his son also showed symptoms. Health experts will also test his spouse and a younger child in the home, but say they're all showing mild signs.
The risk remains very low for most Georgians. Those that have medical issues, elderly, we really need to keep a watch on.
Just this past Friday, Georgia Governor Brian Kemp created a task force to combat the coronavirus, consisting of airport officials, lawmakers, health experts, as well as the school superintendent. This in case there is an outbreak here, so that they can coordinate and communicate to prevent an outbreak.
This was a travel-related illness. It wasn't something that was developed here, which I think is a good thing.
The most important thing we can do is identify any potential contacts that these 2 individuals may have had.
The CDC says the travelers on the plane with him from Milan to Amsterdam and then to Atlanta don't need to be tested because he didn't show symptoms until 3 days after he arrived. Reporting at the Georgia State Capitol, Archif Shashardre, Atlanta Bureau Chief.
President Donald Trump is expected to visit the CDC in Atlanta on Friday to evaluate the coronavirus response.